Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you some of my Excel tips and tricks I acquired over the years. I will be demonstrating this in the Excel 2013 version. Most of these, if not all, will work in newer versions of Excel. Let's get going. So the first one will be generating a number 1 through 1000. You can do the old manual way of typing 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can be a little bit more efficient, type in 1, 2, 3. You can highlight the top three and put your cursor in the bottom right when it changes to this solid plus sign, and then you can see that as I'm scrolling down, the numbers are iterating up. So it is going up, and you can go down here and all the way to 1000, right? However, you can see that this is taking some time to fill. So there is a better way. Go ahead and type in number 1 in your cell C1, highlight the whole cell, go up here, and on the upper right, above the editing, click the cell fill. You will select the series, and here is the magic number. You want to stop at the value 1000. Click OK and done. So if you go all the way down by holding down Control and key, it will quickly go down to the bottom of this, and you can see that it did all of that for you very quickly. Next, let's move on to generating days, weekdays, months, and years. And of course, this will be a quick way because I am all about quick and automation, and the less manual work, the better. In cell A2, let's go ahead and type in January 1st, 2015, for example. Format the date to month, day, year. You can go ahead and click this little icon here, go to date, and this will be month, day, year. However, let's go ahead and customize this. Yeah, we'll leave it as month slash day slash year. Next, select the cells you want to fill. So I'm gonna go down to 25. Same thing, go to the fill, and this time we'll select the series. Here, we will click the date type, and what else? Select the date unit, which will be, in this case, day, and click OK. And there you go. You have a January 1st through January 24th. You can also do some more formatting here. Click that little icon on the number, go custom, and you can play with this here. So you can type in DDD or 4Ds to show you the day of the week. And then you can also do MMM for month. And let's go ahead and do a space DD, or you can do DD so it can give you the date, and we'll leave the YYY for the year. Click OK. So now you can also have the weekday name along with the fully spelled out month. Same thing, you can do this with weekdays. Let's go ahead and same thing, we'll do 1/1/2015 to be consistent, and highlight down to the bottom. Actually, let me do a Control Z to undo that. We'll do the fill series. This time we'll say weekdays. And now let's see what happened, if this will work. If not, we'll fix it. So now we'll say, show me just the days. And let's go ahead and put also months. Same thing as the column A. So here you can tell it actually didn't work. So this is a good troubleshooting opportunity here. Series. Oh, I don't think we selected weekdays. But you can see how it changed. Now it only includes weekdays, basically Monday through Friday. The column on the left, column A, has weekends as well, Saturday and Sunday. But you can see that it doesn't have Saturday and Sunday over here. Let's do the same thing for months. And you can put this any year, right? 1/1/21. We'll select the whole column, fill series, months, and then we can do some formatting. Custom MMMM for months. And there you go, you have your list of months. And then same thing for year. 1/5/1995. Fill series year, and then you just change this to include YY for year. And that's your list. Let's move on to sorting horizontally. So I will be demonstrating how to sort horizontally, multiple columns from left to right. The steps are select your data. So right now, column 1 has names, Amanda, Clara, Zach, and Bob. And column 2 has numbers. We can, for demo purpose, say these are IDs. Amanda has an ID of number 3, Clara has an ID of number 4, and so on. Select your data, click the Data tab, Sort. Where's the Sort button? Right here. And now, Options. And we will say Sort left to right. It's already selected. Now, make sure to specify the sort by row. So if I want to sort by row 1, which is the names, and we will be sorting on the values order, let's change this from Z to A. If I click OK, you can see that Z to A, so it goes from Zach, Clara, Bob, Amanda. Let's do the same thing, but let's sort it back to A through Z. So now Amanda, A, B, C, and Z for Zach. You can see how this is going. Let's sort on the row 2. Excel is smart enough to know what type of data it is. So now it's saying sort on values smallest to largest. Sure, let's do that. You can sort from 1 through 4 and vice versa, largest to smallest. So it's a nice way of sorting your data. Message charts available. What I mean by that is, let's create a box with a message that will display how many characters are remaining. I'm gonna go ahead and select my data, select my cells where you want your terms, let's say terms and conditions will reside, wrap and merge the cells. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap it and merge it. I always like to put everything to the upper left, to the left indent. Now we will give the merged cells a name. What I mean by that is we'll reference this as condition. Hit enter. So now this value of cells is called condition. And let's do some testing here. Underneath here, I'm gonna do a formula, equal sign, double quote, characters remaining, colon, space, double quotes. We'll do a and percent. Let's say we want to only allow 100 characters minus length function. And here we will be saying condition and close the function. So watch this, characters remaining. If I type in hello YouTube, misspelled that, thank you for watching. Now it will calculate how many characters are here. So in this case, there's 39, right? Because I had originally 100 characters. So it took 100 minus how many are here, which ended up being 61. It's a pretty neat little trick to know. Let's go ahead, move to the next, compare cell values. I will show you how to compare values for the exact match. So I will go ahead and type the formula here. The formula is equal sign, exact, and then I will provide a value here, A1, B1, and close it out. This formula now is calculating the values, and it's smart enough to do it on strings, on numbers, and dates. If I run this down, you can quickly see that Bob and Bob are true because it's spelled the same. 2 and 3 are false. So that's correct. Number 2 and 3 are not the same. And the date 3/3/21 is same as this one. Let's type in Bob G. And you can see that now it says they're false. If I change this to a 3, a 3, this becomes true. And if I change this to 3/4, now my date becomes false. Let's see if this is case sensitive. It is. So this can be nice if you want to have the same exact case. So if I type in Bob all uppercase, it still says it's not the same because this is all capital and this is the normal way. B-O-B. Now it is true. And lastly, let's do some quick autofill. Let's do some staging here. A1 will select Mon for Monday, Jan for January, Monday, January. Highlight the cells A1 through D12 because there will be 12 months in the year, January through December. Let's do a fill and series. We'll select autofill and watch this. Voila! Excel knows to interpret MON for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so on. Excel also knows that Jan means January, and then obviously the spelled out days and months. There you go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Excel tips and tricks down the road. Thank you for watching.